we have a electric bike from electricbikesparadise.com. You can look it up on the internet. It's a great bike. It's easy to assemble, and we've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed it so much. Thomas R. Mulligan, Tuscumbia, Alabama. You can use this video for advertisement anyway. It's a wonderful bike. I love it, and I'm going to enjoy years and years of riding. Thank you so much. electricbikeparadise.com. Look them up. You'll love them.
With free shipping, lowest prices guaranteed, fast delivery, and no sales tax, it's easy to see why Electric Bike Paradise is the leading electric bike retailer online. So shop our selection of e-bikes now at electricbikeparadise.com or reach us at 800-590-2738 and talk to our sales specialist available from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.